Welcome children. Chapter 8, Application of Integrals. So in the previous chapter we have studied definite integrals and indefinite integrals and how to evaluate the definite integral using fundamental theorem of calculus. Now we consider the easy way of finding the area bounded by the curve y equal to f of x-axis, and the ordinates x equal to a and x equal to b. Let's draw the graph y equal to f of x. We are going to find the area bounded by the curve y equal to f of x. So area under the curve has composed of large number of very thin vertical strips. So consider an arbitrary strip of height y and width dx. So dA, which is called the area of the elementary strip, which is equal to y into dx, where y is f of x. And the ordinates are x equal to a and x equal to b. So to find the area of the bounded region like PQRSP, we can write this as the total area is integral of the ordinates x equal to a and x equal to b. So x equal to a, x equal to b. So the curve is y equal to f of x. So we have to find the area bounded by the region. So dA, which is equal to integral of a to b y into dx, which is equal to y is f of x dx. So integral of a to b f of x dx. So the area A of the region bounded by the curve y equal to g of x, x-axis, and the lines x equal to a and x equal to b. So area of the bounded region, which is equal to integral of x equal to a to b y dx, which is equal to integral of a to b y is f of x. So f of x. So y is the height and dx is the width, in which the area under the curve composed of a large number of very thin vertical strips. So area A equal to y into dx, which is equal to f of x dx. So the area A of the region bounded by the curve x equal to g of y, this is along y-axis, and the lines y equal to c and y equal to d, which are the coordinates, which is given by area A equal to x into dy. So integral of the coordinates are c and d. So c to d, x into dy. We have to integrate this with respect to y. Here an arbitrary strip of height x and width dy. Then dA, which is the area of the elementary strip, which is equal to x into dy, where x is g of y. So we can use either of these two formulas, area equal to y dx or area equal to x dy. So rules of symmetry for tracing the curve. So first one, the curve is symmetric about y-axis if we replace x by minus x in the equation of the curve y equal to f of x, and the equation remains same. So the curve is symmetric about x-axis if we replace y by minus y in x equal to f of y, and the equation remains same. So third rule, both x and y are replaced by minus x and minus y respectively in the equation of the curve y equal to f of x, and the equation of the curves remains same, then the curve is symmetrical about x-axis and y-axis both. So fourth rule, if we replace x by y and y by x in the equation of the curve y equal to f of x, and the equation of the curve remains the same, then the curve is symmetrical about the straight line y equal to x. Exercise 8.1, first question. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to x and the line x equal to 1, x equal to 4, x-axis in the first quadrant. Here the curve is given as y square equal to x. That is y square equal to 4ax. If y square equal to 4ax, then it is a parabola which is open rightwards. Here the vertex is at 0, 0. So we can write this as y minus 0 whole square, which is equal to 4a into x minus 0. So we can say that vertex is 0, 0. If the parabola is y square equal to minus 4ax, then it is open leftwards and the vertex is at origin 0, 0. Here the curve given as y square equal to x, which represents parabola, open rightwards, and the vertex is 0, 0. And the line x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. So which is in the x-axis in the first quadrant. So here this is the first quadrant and this is second, third, fourth. We have to find the area of the region bounded by the curve in x-axis in the first quadrant. So we can take this point as x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to find the area bounded by the curve and the line x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. So we can use the formula area of the bounded region, which is y into dx. So a vertical strips which is dx and the height is y. Here y is given as y square equal to x. So we can write this as y equal to root x. So required area of the shaded region. We have to find this shaded region. So required area of the shaded region, which is equal to y into dx. Here the coordinates x is given as x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. So integral of x equal to 1 to 4 y into dx. Here y is root x. Y square is x. So y equal to root x, which is equal to root x into dx. So integral of 1 to 4. So root x we can write as x power half. So integral of 1 to 4 x power half dx. So using the formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So half plus 1 by half plus 1, which is 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So which is equal to x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. I am writing in the numerator as 2 by 3. And the limit is 1 to 4. So upper limit minus lower limit. So 2 by 3, have to substitute the upper limit in x. So 4 power 3 by 2 minus lower limit is 1. So 1 to the power of 3 by 2, which is nothing but 1. So which is equal to 2 by 3. We can write 4 as 2 square. So 2 square into 3 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled, minus 1. So which is equal to 2 by 3. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. So which is equal to 14 by 3 square units. So the required area of the shaded region from x equal to 1 to x equal to 4, which is equal to 14 by 3 square units. Second one, the same type of questions. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to 9x, x equal to 2 and x equal to 4, and x-axis in the first quadrant. Here y square equal to 9x, which is a parabola open rightwards, that is symmetric about x-axis. Its vertex is at 0, 0. So the coordinates are x equal to 2 and 4. We have to find this area in between x equal to 2 and 4. So a thin strips, so dx, and the height is y. So we have to find this area of the bounded region. So x equal to 2 and x equal to 4, y square equal to 9x. So y equal to root 9x. So which is equal to 3 root x. So root x we can write as 3 into x power half. So area of the required shaded region which is equal to integral of, the coordinates are 2 and 4, so 2 to 4 y into dx. Here y is 3 into x power half, so 3 into x power half dx, and the limits is 2 to 4. So using the formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, we are getting x power 3 by 2. So which is equal to 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2. Here we have one more 3, so 3, and the limit is 2 to 4. Here 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So which is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. So 2 into 4 power 3 by 2 minus 2 power 3 by 2. So upper limit minus lower limit. So 4 I can write it as 2 power 2. So 2 into 2 square into 3 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled, minus. Here I can write 2 as root 2 whole square into 3 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So which is equal to 2 into 2 cube is 8 minus, here root 2 whole power 3, which is 2 root 2 square units. So area of the required shaded region, which is equal to 2 into 8 minus 2 root 2 square units. Third question, find the area of the region bounded by the curve x square equal to 4y, y equal to 2 and y equal to 4, and the y-axis in the first quadrant. So we have to find the area of the region bounded by the curve in the first quadrant, and the coordinates are given as y equal to 2 and 4. So we have to find y equal to 2 to 4. So this area, so horizontal strips, so this part is dy, so this height is x, here y equal to 2 and y equal to 4. The curve x square equal to 4y, which is the equation of the parabola open upwards. That is, if x square equal to 4ay, it is a parabola open upwards, and the vertex are like x minus 0 the whole square, which is equal to 4a into y minus 0 the whole square. So the vertex is 0 comma 0. So again, if it x square equal to minus 4ay, so which is the equation of the parabola open downwards. So and the vertex is 0 comma 0. Here the curve is x square equal to 4y. So the parabola open upwards, symmetrical about y-axis. So vertex is 0 comma 0. So we have to find the required shaded region. So area of the required shaded region. The coordinates are y equal to 2 and y equal to 4. The curve is given as x square equal to 4y. So x is equal to root of 4y, which is equal to 2 into root y. So area, which is equal to x into dy. The coordinates are 2 to 4. X is 2 root y. So 2 to 4, 2 root y dy. Y we can write as y power half. So using the formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So 2 by 3 into y power 3 by 2. So which is equal to 2 into 2 by 3, y power 3 by 2. So 2 to 4. Now applying the upper limit minus lower limit. So this will become 4 by 3. Upper limit is 4. So 4 power 3 by 2, I write it as 2 square into 3 by 2. I am writing 4 as 2 power 2. So into 3 by 2, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Minus lower limit 2 to the power of 3 by 2. So writing this as root 2 square 3 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So which is equal to 4 by 3. 2 cube is 8 minus root 2 whole power 3, which is 2 root 2 square units. So the required area is 4 by 3, 8 minus 2 root 2 square units.